Hello drone friends, this is Alan at UAV Coach and Drone Pilot Ground School. Happy Friday morning, welcome to another week here in drone industry land. I've got 3 stories to share with you this week and I'm going to jump right in. On Tuesday, DJI released the Mavic 3 Enterprise series, and we've actually got 2 different drone models here. So the Mavic 3E and then the Mavic 3T. I'm going to start with the 3E, and I'm thinking that E stands for efficient because this drone is built for efficient mapping and surveying missions. The standard version is selling for $3,810, and with that price, you're getting a 20 megapixel camera with 4/3 CMOS and a mechanical shutter that significantly reduces motion blur to improve mapping precision. And of course, there's an optional RTK module to unlock centimeter level positioning. So my question is this, all of you drone pilots out there who have sworn by the Phantom 4 as your go-to mapping and modeling drone, which I wholeheartedly understand, will you be upgrading to this new Mavic 3E? Let us know in the comments below. We've also got the 3T, where the T stands for thermal. This drone was designed to meet the specific needs of aerial operations in firefighting, search and rescue, inspection, night operations. And it's pretty cool because you can broadcast both the thermal and RGB cameras at the same time. The standard version of this drone is priced at $5,780. Both models have double the advertised flight time of their predecessors at about 45 minutes. Holy Batman. And the zoom cameras on both support 56x hybrid zoom. The remote control that comes with both these models, the DJI RC Pro Enterprise, it also has a built-in microphone and supports text-to-speech if you need to send out messages while flying, which is pretty wild. So I'm excited to see folks adopt these models. I'm curious about the feedback over the coming weeks and months. In the meantime, bowing down to the DJI gods in respect for their continuous product development and for pushing this technology forward. Last week, we shared an FPV video from drone pilot Russell Spurlock, which featured B-roll footage shot in a junkyard for Top Gear America. This week, we're sharing another video from the same creator with the drone starting underwater. We get a shot of a sunken treasure chest before shooting up into the air to reveal a small waterfall. A moment later, the drone dives back into the water to reveal a sea turtle swimming along. The footage was shot in Costa Rica for a reality TV show that Spurlock worked on called Snake in the Grass. The underwater shots were made possible with a custom rig he made that can go both underwater and in the air. I love not only the flight skills, but the creativity here. Okay, check this out. This drone video shot in Uluwatu, which is a world-class surf break located off the coast of Bali, features a single shot of a surfer riding very fast, an incredibly long wave. If you look closely, you're going to see a jet ski zooming off in the background just as the surfer gets onto the wave, which indicates that this wave may be bigger and faster and more dangerous than it looks in the video. According to the YouTuber Mr. Uluwatu, who posted the video, it's the longest wave ridden at this surfing spot. Whether or not that's true, it's a very impressive ride nonetheless, and kudos to the drone pilot for keeping those movements smooth, none of that jerky movements. So great work filming there. That's all we have for this week, folks. Wanted to share a couple videos and some exciting news from DJI land. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on the latest drone industry news each week. Remember to check out the links below to read or watch more. Thanks for watching, and as always, to all of you drone pilots out there, wishing you blue skies and safe flying. I'll see you next week.